Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a browser in Selenium Webdriver Java. To begin, you will need to download the appropriate browser driver executable, such as Chrome driver or Gecko driver, matching your browser version. Once downloaded, place it in a known location. Then, we will set a system property in Java to point to this executable file. This crucial step tells Selenium where to find the browser's control mechanism. After that, we instantiate the WebDriver object, which represents your browser instance. For Chrome, you will first download the Chrome driver executable from the official Selenium website. Make sure its version aligns with your installed Chrome browser. Next, in your Java code, use system, set property, WebDriver, Chrome, driver, path/to/Chrome driver, exe. This line establishes the connection. Then, simply create an instance. WebDriver driver equals new Chrome driver. This command will launch a new Chrome browser window, ready for your automation scripts. It's a straightforward process. To open Firefox, you need the Gecko driver, which acts as a proxy between Selenium and Firefox. Download the correct version from GitHub. Similar to Chrome, set the system property, system, set property, WebDriver, Gecko driver, path/to/Gecko driver, exe. After this, instantiate the driver with WebDriver driver equals new Firefox driver. This action will launch a new Firefox browser window. Remember to always match the driver version with your browser for optimal performance and stability. After performing your automation tasks, it is crucial to close the browser properly using driver. Quit. This command closes all associated browser windows and ends the WebDriver session, preventing memory leaks. For managing driver executables, consider using a library like WebDriver Manager, which automatically downloads and sets up the correct driver. Also, incorporate waits to handle dynamic web elements effectively. Always keep your browser and driver versions synchronized for stable test execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.